We are learning about how books work. Let's talk about the front of the book. Is this the front of the book? No, this is the back of the book. Is this the front of the book? Yes, but is it the right way around? No, it isn't. Is this the front of the book? Yes. Is it the right way around? Yes. Now let's look at the pictures and words in a story. This is the first page of my story. This is the picture and this is the text or the writing. Point to the picture. Here is the picture. Now point to the words. Here are the words. Now we are going to learn about the bottom and the top. Here is the bottom of my picture. Here is the top of my picture. Here is the bottom of my page. Here is the top of my page. Show me the bottom of the picture. Here it is. Now show me the top of the picture. Here it is. Now show me the bottom of the page. Here it is. Now show me the top of the page. Here it is. Now we are going to learn about letters and words. This page says, "The new cat jumped on the table." Now on my page I have covered up some of the words. I have made it so that only one word can be seen. Now look at this page. I have covered it up so two words can be seen. Now look at this page. I have moved my card so you can just see one letter. Now look at this page. I have moved my cards this time so that you can see two letters. Now we are going to learn about first and last. This story says, "He liked the fish. Gobble, gobble." On this page, I've used my cards to cover up all the words except the first word. I can still see the first word on my page. On this page, I've used my cards to cover up all the words except the last word on the page. This is the last word on my page. Now I've used my cards on this page to cover up the letters in the words so that I can only see the first letter of a word. This is the first letter of a word. And on this page, I've used my cards to cover up all the words and the letters except the last letter of a word. This is the last letter of my word, gobble.